Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanjuru Kumar. Today I am going to show you in this video a brand new app that will pay $12 for absolutely free, and you can money in this app via PayPal, Pay, Dana, Gcash, TRX and ATM. Okay friends, before going to the video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. Then you can see a notification as soon as we upload a video. Now let's go to the video. This app name is Style Blast Reward. First we need to open the app. When you open the app, you will be told how to play the game first. All you have to do in this game is to bring three identical dishes together. Okay, we will see about that later. Now click on the icon on this side and log into the app. You can easily log into this app with your Google account. Okay, now let's play the game. Click on start. You can see that the way I play this game is to bring three identical dishes together. I complete the first level and I got 100 coins. I double it by watching an ad. In this way, we will complete a few more levels and talk more about this app. As you have seen, I got 240 coins from the second level and 200 coins from the third level. Next task. It will be completed automatically according to the level we complete. 3 4 there is nothing to do separately to earn from this. Next, spin. Spin this wheel and you can win the things you need to play this game, like coins. You can spin 20 times a day and you must see an ad. Shop. Shop is also the spin and you can win the things you need to play this game with coins. Other way to win these things, you have to watch an ad. Next, Internet Friends. To get access to Internet Friends, you have to spin the wheel 6 times. Okay, when you download this app and give your internet code to this app, you will get 100 coins and 20% of the coins he or she earns. Also, if you enter my code here, you will get 100 coins. If you want to get 100 coins for free, give my code here. Withdraw. In this app, you can withdraw to PayPal, Pay, Dana, Gcash, TRX, and ATM. To get a withdrawal, you need to collect at least 800 coins. Okay, so that's all there is to say about this app. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and with the hope of seeing you in another video. I say goodbye for today. Have a nice day all of them.